Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Leaving the main entrance of Mandalay Bay, we turn north and begin following the curve of South Las Vegas Boulevard. Overhead, the elevated track of the Mandalay Bay Tram runs parallel to the road. Its concrete guideway connects three major properties, the Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur, forming a short but vital link between the southern resorts of the Strip. The tram system opened in 1999, the same year as Mandalay Bay itself. It was built by MGM Resorts International to make traveling between the company's properties quick and free for guests. The system uses automated driverless cars, powered by linear induction motors that allow smooth acceleration and braking without its onboard engines. The line stretches just under 1 mile in total. It begins here at Mandalay Bay, continues through Luxor, and terminates at Excalibur. Trains run every few minutes, alternating between express services and local stops, with a typical travel time of less than 3 minutes end to end. The guideway structure is self-contained, supported by evenly spaced concrete columns that keep the track level above road traffic and pedestrian walkways. As we continue walking outside, the track remains visible overhead. The grey support beams and metal side rails blend with the colour of the scheme of the Mandalay Bay facade, creating a seamless architectural link between the resorts. Beneath it, landscape pathways and low retaining walls guide pedestrians along the same route. Looking upward, each station platform sits partially enclosed in glass panels with gold accents matching its connected property. The Mandalay Bay station can be seen directly above the side entrance driveway, its elevated walkway extending back towards the main building. Although small in scale, its design mirrors the resort's geometry, keeping the line consistent from grounds to skyline. As the track bends slightly north, the Luxor Hotel and Casino comes into view ahead. Its black glass pyramid rises sharply above the palm trees, forming one of the most recognizable silhouettes in Las Vegas. The tram line runs directly towards it, passing over the pedestrian crossing and into the next station that connects both the Luxor and the Mandalay Place shopping levels. This walk traces the same connection from ground level, a short distance linking two entirely different architectural concepts. Behind us, Mandalay Bay's tropical gold, ahead, Luxor's geometric black pyramid. Between them, the elevated tram defines the transition, carrying guests above, while the boulevard and walkways carry everyone else below. Approaching the Luxor entrance, the track lowers slightly before merging into the covered terminal built into the pyramid's southern side. We stay outside, following the curve of the pathway that leads directly to the main doors of Luxor, ending the walk where one resort style gives way to another.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.